Welcome to Mechanical Tutorials. I'm going to teach you different techniques in SolidWorks for mechanical engineers. Hi, today I'm going to explain about curl feature and design guidelines. So curl feature is similar to hem feature. So it is created with die and punch operation. So this is the curl feature. So let's understand the curling operation. So curling sheet metal is the process of adding a hollow circular roll to the edge of the sheet. The curled edges provide strength to the edge and makes it safer for handling. So here it is instead of sharp edges of the sheet, it provides some circular feature around the edge, and it improves the strength of the sheet metal component. So that is the advantage. So here punch moves gradually and tries to bend the workpiece, and in step 2 it moves further, and step 3 finally it makes a circular feature. So let's understand how to create it in SolidWorks. So I am suppressing the feature. We have to go to hem feature. Here we have to go to rolled option and we have to select the edge. Here we can give the degrees of rotation. Suppose I can give 280, and here also based on the thickness I can give 1 mm or 2 mm. So this is the inside radius. So if I want multiple edges, then I can select each edge. So this is how it is created. Usually the inner radius will be small. For better understanding, I have given more radius. So this is the curling operation. Next is curling feature and design guidelines. So in design guidelines, we have to understand what is the distance between the hole and the curl, and edge flange and the curl, or we can say bend to the curl. So let's understand. So the outer edge radius of the curl must be greater or equal to 2x the material thickness. So this is the material thickness, and this radius should be greater than twice the thickness. The minimum distance between a curl and the edge of a hole radius of the curl plus the material thickness. So we have to consider from the edge of the hole and from this edge of the curl should be curl radius plus thickness. Next is the minimum distance a curl should be from the internal bend is 6 times the material thickness plus the radius of the curl. So from this point to this internal edge should be equivalent to curl radius plus 6 into material thickness. Next is the minimum distance a curl should be from an external bend is 9 times the material thickness plus the radius of the curl. So from this edge to the end of this curl is equivalent to curl radius plus 9 times the thickness. So the radius will be internal radius. So these are the main factors we have to consider while designing a curl feature. So from the hole and extreme edge to this point, and this edge to the end point. So these are very much important. So this is about curl feature and design guidelines.